everyone, welcome back to my channel. So starting off, I will be taking this Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe brushes and going to take this mustard color as my transition shade. And going to take this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette again and going to put this color underneath my transition shade so it gives a really good gradient for our next color. So I'm taking the blending brush and diffusing the harsh edges and taking this orange color from Jaclyn Hill palette and going to put this on the top of the color so it blends together really well. And going to take some concealer and going to take a flat shader brush and going to carve out my crease with it. And taking this orange color from Morphe 35B palette with a flat shader brush and going to put this on the inner part of my lids and going to take this same orange color and going to put this on the middle part of my lids and going to take this INGLOT 77 gel eyeliner and going to line my eyes with it. And going to take this Dodo lashes in 307 and going to apply this on my eyes. And going to take this Dr. Brandt's Pores No More luminizing primer and going to prime my face with it. And going to take this Huda Beauty's Faux Filter foundation and going to buff this foundation all over my face using this Sigma F80 Kabuki brush. And going to take this Tarte Shape Tape concealer and going to conceal my under eyes with it. And going to set my face with this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and going to take this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in caramel toffee and going to contour my face with it and going to bake underneath my contour line and going to take this Morphe 9 and blush palette and going to apply this on my cheeks and going to take this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Radiant Brick highlighter and going to apply this on the highest points of my face. And going to smoke out my lower lash line with the same colors and going to apply this liquid lipstick from Colourpop called Creeper and going to apply this on my lips and going to take this Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray and going to set my whole face with it. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up and yeah, I will see you guys on my next tutorial. শুভ নববর্ষ সবাইকে।